let's say another change in life is that assets have grown, that they are, much higher than they had been before. And you have a simple will. It's really interesting. People like the idea of a simple will because they're easier to understand. But on the other hand, simple wills may well not serve the person when their life situation has changed, as I just described with, a long-term care situation and Medicaid. But what if the person has a lot more assets? Let's say that this couple has $4 million in assets, and either they need care or they don't need care. It doesn't matter. The type of trust that I just explained to you also serves as a tax protection trust and a Medicaid trust. It's a tax planning protection trust because when the first spouse dies, their $2 million will go into the trust, and it, through the probate process, through filing any necessary tax returns, the person who died in Washington, they have a $2.193 million credit exclusion amount. See, Washington is one of those states where you can't pass a ton of money like you can under the federal government situation, or in Idaho that has no state estate tax. So federally, $12.92 million is what can pass when somebody dies with no taxes being imposed, no estate taxes. And many states, the majority of states, do not have an estate tax. For example, Idaho doesn't. But Washington does. In Washington, only $2.193 million can pass without there being an estate tax imposed. So the type of trust where I just described how it protects assets for the surviving spouse against long-term care costs also serves as a tax protection trust, because the surviving spouse, let's say that $2 million went into the trust, they only have $2 million left in their own name. And when they die, $2 million is less than the credit exclusion amount for Washington, so it passes tax-free as well. So when it comes to updating your wills, updating your estate plan, looking at changes in your life, it could be because there's a lot more money, or could be because there are health concerns, changed family, et cetera, grandkids, trust needed, all of those things. It's really important to make sure that you speak with an estate planning and elder law attorney. Make sure you have the right trust for you right now. And I said the right trust. In Washington, what I'm talking about is having the right will, which has the right trusts in it. We'll be talking a little bit later about why revocable living trusts aren't as desirable in Washington, because they don't give you the type of asset protection that wills do.